Let me explain.
Explain what? You killed my step-sister. You feel that, huh? You feel that? You kill the innocent people in the ska studio city. You fake satanic fatso. You kill my mom and dad. Because you stupid murderer. Why'd you do that? You didn't answer my question. Why do you do that, kid? Matter of fact. Answer me, you fat pity pig. Yeah, that's too good for you. Is it too much blood on your forehead and your body? Ha! What you've done to my family? Why did you ignore my ska studio since you were a little kid? How's your pain? Huh? How is your pain? Now go play as Yuki before I will break your hands off.
What happened to you?
He thinks I murdered his stepsister Yuki.
What?
I'm in trouble, and then he just broke my ankles, and he just assaulted me with the metal thing, and then he hit me with it, and now I've gotten slain by a tree with my forehead and it hurts me. What am I gonna do?
Were you two fighting each other?
I'm telling you I don't hurt her, but you've got to help me.
Goodness!
Oh my god. I'm not gonna yell at you, Kai, but you have to stop overreacting until you save his stepsister.
Okay, but what about my ankles? My ankles getting a blood mess and makes my ankles gore.
Sorry about your ankles, kid.
I don't want my ankles to be sore and ripping my ankles off my foot. I just want my ankles to be fixed.
Come on, Kai, relax. We can help you out.
Thanks, Kagami.
I have an idea.
What is it?
We're going to the village and tell Miroku, Sango, and Shippo about this. When someone tries to fix his ankles, he can walk whatever he wants to do about his ankles.
It'll worth it.
Did you kill her?
I didn't hurt his stepsister Yuki. I'm trying to save Yuki, but I broke my ankles. Dishwasher gets me a beating. Look, my ankles is broken. Can you guys help me fix my ankles? I don't want my ankles to ripped away from my foot.
Did I see you sleep in? Getting really sick and tired of you killing at me, man. Huh? Yeah, getting really tired. What you've done to my stepsister? Why'd you play as me and you didn't play as my stepsister? Yeah, I see you over here doing that fake sleeping all over your eyes, huh? What did I tell you about playing as me and you didn't play as Yuki?
Dishwasher, I didn't kill your stepsister. I was trying to help her out without getting herself killed. Okay, I'm just trying to help the Ska Studios city. I was the leader of Ska Studios just like me.
Not good enough.
Listen, I play as you and your stepsister Yuki just
Shut
like
your
you guys
mouth.
are both.
Don't make me pull out your eyeballs, kid. Don't make me pull out your eyeballs off your eyes. Keep on playing with me. Keep on playing with me, punk.
Please, I didn't do anything. Jesus Christ.
You didn't believe your mercy.
Somebody help me. Kagami. Inuyasha. Anyone.
Time for a punishment.
Okay. I'll play as your stepsister. Okay. I promise.
Sorry. I didn't mean to raise my voice. But you guys have to help me out.
Really?
Yes. But don't forget about Inuyasha, Kagome, and Shippo. Do not hurt the dishwasher. He's getting a violence he was under control. Punishment.
Who is the punishment?
How do you know, kid?
They try to punish me into the fire and it burns. Dishwasher is the shadow.
Dishwasher is the what?
Shadow.
The shadow?
You mean dishwasher who becomes the shadow.
He is. We need to let the dishwasher violence goes away. But please don't abandon me, alright? I am so sorry about using my threats, but I'm trying to help.
Tell us where they're hidden.
We'll help you out.
Okay.